Welcome back fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk a little bit more about if you're still using Slack to say hi only and you're doing things wrong, because I'm going to be showing you how to find the best bots, how to talk to the new Slack AI, and how to build your own custom workflow. So first of all, you want to define and adding some bots. The first thing you want to do is directly here into Slack, you want to hit for the option that says sign in. Directly here into my sign in, I'm going to just sign in with a Gmail. This is the same Gmail account that I'm using for my co-workers and all of that. So I'm going to go for the verification really quick. I'm going to hit for done. And once I am directly inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is to try to find and adding some bots. Now here, what I needed to do is to look out for the space that I would like to do work on, which is the select, and to the upper side we have this code, which is xdc.slack.com. This will be like your let's say your desktop version. And to find and adding some bots, I'm going to just hit for the option that says more directly inside here, and you click for the element that says tools. Directly inside here, I'm going to click for the element that says apps or applications. Now, most teams start with the classics, which is Poly for polls, or even the one that says done it. This is for team building, and you can go for add to Slack and follow the permission prompts. Let's say, for example, that I start here from the applications. Let's check out Poly. Poly is a place that can be helping you to get started with some polls, with surveys, with Q's and A's, and you can add them directly through your channels. So just to add them, you can hit for the element that says add to Slack. Now you have the free version. There's only a few limited amount of applications that you can just add directly through your channels, so make sure that you just added the essential ones. Now, using the AI agent, for example, this is the most powerful bot nowadays into the AI elements. I'm going to close this, and you can see that, for example, into this specific poly, you can generate your own elements and you can add them into your specific channels. So I'm going to now close this for now. I'm going to head back to the home dashboard, and I'm going to click directly into the Slackbot AI. The Slackbot AI, instead of scrolling for hours, you can just ask to summarize. For example, it will give you a bullet list key of key decisions into your actions menu. Let's say, for example, that I go for take me to the basic element of the Slackbot. And now directly inside here, what you can do is to add summarize the, let's say, general channel from the last 30 days. And just like that, the Slackbot AI will give you the answer that you might be asking for. Now, something else that you can do, for example, is to check out the slash comments and the workflows. So almost every bot uses the slash comments. To activate those slash comments, what you need to do is to just enter the fast forward slash, and you can check out all the tools that are available directly from your support bot. For example, here I'm using the one of the poly, so I can create an actual document, I can create a text snippet, I can create a poly, I can create a presentation. There's so much more elements that I can use. Even I can browse directly applications directly from Slack, or directly from channels or files, and to browse people, and actually good to go. Now, if a bot isn't responding, what you can do is to focus directly from your application settings that you can be finding directly inside here. So just click directly through that, and make sure that sometimes the bots need to re-authentication after the workspace update. So if there's an message that you need to check out, you can just click directly inside there, go for re-authenticate, and you're actually good to go. So be careful with the third-party bots, because always check what data are reading. If a bot asks you like for workspace access, make sure it's from a trusted developer before you want to continue. So bots should save your time, not create more noise. Use them wisely, so make sure that you can just focus into your directory, a summary, slash comments, workflows. So if you want to see more elements about Slack, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching, guys, and hopefully we can all see you next time.